No, I ain't got no fancy phone. Hey y'all, I'm Ace. Let's say grace so we can smash this fish. Please let's be yours. Amen.
Amen.
If you're new to the crew, thanks for coming through. If you've been here before, then you know it's so welcome back. Y'all see where we at? It's been 2 years. But I made it. Cindy.
What?
Fried us up. You gotta say it your way.
Black bass.
Yes. A few lobster tails, some coleslaw, and some fresh veggies. I'm ready to try this. I can't wait. I've been waiting on this fish. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
This was mine, right?
It don't matter.
Oh, it's stuck together. No,
That's one fish.
Oh, okay. I thought it was stuck together. Look at it. Oh, we need to do a thumbnail. What should we do? Should I hold it or should I
Whatever. This is your video. I'm just a guest.
I'm a guest. I'm at your house. We got some hot sauce on the side. How y'all doing? How y'all been?
And a little KFC coleslaw. What are you drinking today, ma'am?
I have a Fanta.
And I got cheer wine. And a little water.
Yes, I have water too. I'm ready to try the fish. I've never had it before. We'll come back to the drink.
I'm waiting on her. You know it's kind of nerve-wracking when people eat your food, right? Is anybody like that?
Fishy. Heck yeah, I am. That's good. It's not fishy.
No. I mean, it smells like fish when you cook it, but
I don't even really smell it.
Walk out the door and come back and see what it smells like.
You know that happened to me the other day?
Or you want Popeye's hot sauce?
Is that what Popeye sell, Crystal?
No. I got Popeye's hot sauce.
Oh.
Don't come over here being bougie now.
No, I didn't know. She called me bougie. I had fried some chicken and went to work. I smelled my coat. I was like, oh my God, this is what I smell like. Straight up fried chicken.
Now be honest, it's good. Don't lie.
Oh, it's good. It's really good, y'all. It's nice and flaky. Look at that. Oh, wait, it's this way. Look at it. And the steam coming off.
Yeah, because I like hot fish, baby.
It's good. I'm scared of the bones because I see that it's a lot. But it's good. It's real good.
You gonna try a little
fresh.
mustard?
Ooh. I'm going to do like you.
That's my face.
Mm-hmm.
That's my face. I should have demonstrated on my fish. Maybe that's why I did. No, eating the fish with the bone.
Oh, it's a process. You gotta be careful. But it's good. I've been waiting for this, y'all. It's good.
No, I didn't season it too heavy.
I want to try it. We're going to try a new hot sauce. Vidalia, onion, jalapeno hot sauce. Shout out to Cindy Eats. It smells good. Mm-hmm. I'm going to try it.
Oh, she be going for the good stuff.
You gotta go big or go home. How you gonna taste it with a little dab? Well, all you need that other one though is just a little dab. The flavor is very subtle.
Is it sweet?
No. The fish is taking over it. It's really. Maybe I need to try it with some chicken.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Wait. Super subtle. Y'all hear that crunch? Do you taste it?
Mm-hmm. I don't taste like dahlia.
What you taste?
You don't take that?
She did say I was broke, so.
She's broke.
You like it?
It's it actually reminds me of this.
Now that I love. Thank you. Yeah, that's bomb. I've been trying to be good with it, but I just decided I just have to go order some.
I'm ready to get red one.
Oh, I'm hungry. It's two past 2:00. It's my first time eating. And this KFC coleslaw, I always hit.
I just started eating coleslaw.
Where you been?
In DC.
They don't eat coleslaw?
Not like that.
So what did you eat with your fish?
When we ate fish in DC, my family, the hot sauce now. We would typically eat it when we ate crabs and shrimp. No vegetables. Bread.
Yeah, we definitely have bread.
No sides. It'll be fish, crabs, shrimp, and no little bread.
I always got bread. Y'all, this is so good.
You probably mustard.
Not yet. I got 3 pieces for $14.
I'm probably gonna pay for it.
Now we'll be going back.
I think it was like $6.99 a pound.
It was a lot of fish up there. I wanted to try that. I want to try that pea fish pompano that we talked about before. They had a lot.
They got live Dungeness.
And I'm going back for that too. $13 a pound? That ain't bad at all. I'm gonna get me one. That's all I need is one.
All you need is one.
That be
We
it.
got one from the place by the red food truck.
Really? I think jalapenos so hot. I about hurt myself the other night trying to eat one. But I bit the whole thing. I'm smart today.
I'm gonna try a little piece.
Jalapeno. Oh, good.
I think she lying that she like my fish. She's probably just hungry, y'all.
She lying to herself. You know, we do food and we talk food. I ain't gonna lie.
Do you ever go through your videos or your TikTok?
What?
And look at them.
I scroll and go look at my views sometimes, but I don't watch it.
Does that make me vain?
No, because you like watching yourself?
I ain't gonna say I like watching myself. But I find myself very entertaining.
You are.
I don't know.
Do y'all know these signs? Very much so entertaining.
I don't know, you know.
Since you're doing it now, look at her hair.
You know, I know some people find me entertaining because they watch me, you know what I'm saying? I'm on YouTube. They watch me. They subscribe to my channel.
But here's the thing with me, though. I don't like my old videos. I don't mind watching yours because they, like you said, you're funny. I still run your playlist and laugh like I ain't watched it the first time. But myself, I don't like my old videos.
I watch myself and laugh like I didn't say it.
And it'd be funny. You gonna try a little dab of that hot sauce? Okay.
Ain't this the one you said
super hot?
That she had a couple of y'all seen that video?
Mm-hmm. It was hot.
What video was that? She had them lined up.
Crawfish. Here go another Cindy move. I got a chicken back. Tell me this ain't Cindy. Cindy fried a chicken back, and I ain't never had no chicken back. How I eat it? Just bite it, or is this bone?
I mean, break it.
This,
no, you can pull that whole piece off. Pull that out.
This the tail.
Mm-hmm. See, that's why I didn't want her to have my chicken back. She's playing with my chicken back. Now break it. That's it. So it's like,
I don't want to put it on bones. Do you eat this part?
Mm-hmm.
I like the skin.
My mom used to fix whole chickens, like take it by whole chicken and fry it. That's why I know about chicken backs.
I make whole chicken, but
no, she was bringing home, cut it up in the 8.
Oh,
yeah. Well, not 8 because she cut the chicken breast in like 2 or 3. So when she cut up the chicken, the chicken back is part of the thigh. You know, if you go to the restaurant and that bone in the thigh in the back, that's that bone. Right there, the 2 thighs. And then like part of the spine, that's the chicken tail. It's part of the spine.
And that's chicken 101 for today.
But I like it from my mama frying chicken.
I ain't never had it.
That mustard good though, ain't it?
I don't know.
Yes, you know. With the hot sauce, it's good.
Very bad.
I got this finger on them, cut it off.
I feel good.
You want it on?
Mm-hmm. How y'all doing?
Yeah, we just talking like
how y'all been? It's almost Thanksgiving.
Literally.
I can't wait. Y'all will probably be watching this the week of Thanksgiving.
My sister come in on Tuesday.
We leave out on Wednesday, I think.
You know, brother, what you call it?
Yeah.
The all you can eat. Where she want to go?
Oh, you want back? She cheating on me, y'all. Listen. You know what? Now that I think about it, the relationships that I have in my life, I need to question. Because
really?
My husband just cheated on me twice. Cindy finna cheat on me twice. My kid's just bad. I need some new people in my life. What y'all think? When I say cheat, we talked about this before. My husband went to eat without me twice at a place that I want to go to again. I called her while she's sitting in the restaurant and she didn't even bother to tell me where she was at.
Listen, I would have.
On Duo, not just call, like I physically seen her.
I would have, but it was so loud.
They always got excuses. And I don't cheat on them, but you know what? I'm going to start cheating. I'm going to be trifling with it too. I'm going to send them pictures and videos and rub it in.
She cheating on me because she got her husband.
No, we talk about with food.
Oh, this ain't my video.
Hey, Uncle. Okay.
You see my text message? No. No. What you say? She can't watch my channel. Cheers.
And shout out to Miss Ashley.
Prayers for a speedy recovery.
Okay. I brought a little bit of everything. I feel like this would be good on fish. Let's try. That was another Cindy moment where she just don't be responding, y'all. Like, and she be for real.
Wait, what I do? What I do?
That was the end of the conversation. Who that? Hey, Natalie. It ain't bad. It's better than with the chicken. You know, stepping
Not at all.
I tasted it with the mustard. See, there she go again. See how they treat me?
I'm sorry. Every review I've seen of the pink sauce has not been flattering. The lady who made it herself even was talking about the quality of her product.
What'd she say?
Based on, you know, her distribution deal with whoever she had it distributed by.
Oh, that hot people, Days Insanity, I think that's what her name is.
I don't know who it is. And how they literally just took over and made it how they wanted to make it.
Oh.
So
it's really not that bad. You tried the first time I had it? It's really not that bad. It's not something I could eat every day because I don't know what to eat it with. It's not bad with the fish. There's something I wanted to talk about. I seen.
what? Are you wrong?
I was something else. Woo!
Said she wanted something else up here. We ain't eating nothing else.
That's delicious. I'm just scared. But it's
You're doing pretty good.
I feel so good. Let's end how about eat bone and fish.
I'm gonna have to find my mama soon when she get home.
Growing up as a child, just random. What was the one thing you always wanted for Christmas but you never got? Y'all answer in the comments too. If you're still here.
I don't think I want for Christmas. Now, at my age, I realized I was different.
She still is.
I was different. In that I didn't have to play with toys.
What you play with?
I was an avid TV watcher. TV was my thing. Only thing I wanted ever was to have my own TV.
So where did you watch TV at? In the living room?
So my mama got a TV to put in our room.
Mm-hmm.
But even then, I got two sisters. So I didn't, get to watch what I wanted to watch all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And this is back in the 80s, so, top shows like Cosby Show, Different World and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't sitting in the room and watch. You came into the living room and you sat down and you watched TV. All right. When Roots came out,
No, I've never seen that.
so watch it at least once.
I don't want to.
Sit down. Go ahead and sit down.
I don't like slavery movies.
You don't want what? That? Go put it on the counter. Yeah, go put it on the counter.
Little Natalie in the building.
There's only 2 times I can remember that I wanted something for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Really, really bad. When I was younger, it was a pair of boots. Mind you, this is the 80s. It's called Rider Boots. And for reference, Salt and Pepper wore them. And they had on that 8-ball jacket with the leotard thing, what they call it now, jumpsuit or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
The boots they had on, we called those rider boots because like people who ride horses wear those long black boots.
Rider boots.
Mm-hmm. I wanted those. My mama got me those.
Jenny, please try to put it soft with the fish. I promise it's good.
And when I was a teenager, I wanted a radio. And she got me a radio.
That's
because I was never. I wasn't like, oh mom, please buy me, give me this.
I wanted my own Walkman. I know what they used to call them. CD players for the young folks.
Okay. Well, for her. I mean, I guess you still call it Walkman because we called the Walkman the one with the cassette player.
No, I wanted the CD one. Excuse me, I never got it.
I did it one time.
I promise you it's good. It gives this like little sweetness to it or something. You still don't like it? Dang. I just knew you was gonna like it, friend.
This is the best part of the fish.
Look at my plate.
You did that on good.
I like saying that. Y'all want some lobster? Fried to perfection.
I hope.
You supposed to be trying that. She getting over a lot. You trifling.
You came over here with a whole bag, y'all.
Don't do me, because she show up with a bag too. Sometimes too. Listen, we travel with whatever we need.
And I'm like, girl, what is all this?
I had to bring my hot sauce and my vegetables and everything I needed. Because I won't go into the store.
She's trying to kill me with this.
No, just a little dab. I promise you, just a tiny little dab. That's all you need for real.
She is trying to kill me.
I don't want to hurt you.
It's thick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lord, protect my stomach.
It ain't gonna be enough to do that. But it's hot.
Look, you can't.
That lobster is so good. It's got good flavor, but it's hot, ain't it? think it's harder than 2 times. What do you think? She sopped the rest up.
Yeah, she broken.
Angela broke legs cover that because I think that's super hot.
She's broken.
I only use a little bit. It's hot, ain't it?
I'm not getting real spicy. Like
Really?
I got heat flowing over my tongue. But whatever it's flavored with, whatever it has a absolutely delicious.
It's good. It's really, really good, y'all. You want the other half of it?
No, no, it's not so good.
Mm-hmm. What you finna do with that?
Miss Pink Sauce. Miss the hottest, Miss hotter than 2 times.
You don't like devil juice.
You see how people play.
I ain't got no empty cup. You tried it before?
You said it's cold.
You ain't had it before. What made you want to get that? Just to try.
Oh no. I bought it and I'm scared to try it myself.
I don't taste it.
I'm scared.
But why they make it black?
This is how I've been trying to convince myself, y'all. That it's just like this. It's water, it's flavored water. This is flavored water. So what throw you off is say black. Right? And it's black.
Not like you can't even see through it.
Right, it's black. So that's what throw you off. But this is, kind of black too.
No, it's not.
It's flavored water. Right?
We're gonna end the video with that.
You in her comments.
I know I'm gonna taste it.
Are you gonna do right now?
It's strawberry rhubarb. Oh, it might be good. See, that's convincing to me.
That's convincing.
The flavor. It's a shake wheel. Y'all seen this before?
You want to try now or you want the people to vote?
It don't matter. You gonna save it to the next time?
You come back next week.
Okay, well, y'all, should I try this? Should we try this? Black strawberry rhubarb water. The flavor got me convinced because I had a rhubarb pie and it was so good.
Maybe you should put a poll up what should we eat.
I'm broke, so it needs to be something cheap. I'm budgeting like crazy these days, friends. We finna go out of town.
But not next week. What is it?
Oh, yeah, I'll be going next week.
Mm-hmm.
So the first week of December.
You come next Saturday?
If I ain't working. If I'm still there.
I'm about to say, she's talking about she's still working.
Because it's not that bad. And we got a new store manager, and I like her. I didn't think I would, but... And she actually recognizes that we do work. Like, the other one would always complain. But she'll come in and be like, y'all had the store so clean last night, and what can I do for y'all?
Because she understands how to get people to work. So she can get that bonus.
And that's fine. Because the other one would be complaining. And I'd be like, Helfer, I know you lying. Because I know what I did.
Why we all say that? Shout out to Shanette Nicole. I know you lying.
I know you lying. We be playing, but we be working. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet.
She turned that chicken back up, baby.
The other one's gone already.
She turned that chicken back up, baby.
Listen, y'all. If y'all don't know by now, one thing. Do you say your name on your channel?
What? Cindy?
No. Your government.
Cindy?
Okay. One thing Cindy can do. Cook, baby. Burn, baby, burn. And I'm coming every time I'm invited.
Sad part is, I had 2 last night.
2 chicken backs.
2 chicken backs. I would have been 3 if I ain't sure with my mama.
Oh, okay, y'all. I ain't full, but I'm good. I'm satisfied.
Slightly.
Satisfied with G. $10 across the board. Thank you, friend.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm gonna save it. I know, I'm gonna save it. I'll say it in the next video.
Y'all like my hair?
Inches.
Let me stop. This ain't my video.
So,
You like my hair? It turn you on? This ain't nothing when you see me with it off.
that is not why the episode was for me. Because I'm running with something else in my head.
See, that's why I said I find myself entertained. Because you know what I keep cracking up off of? Off one of my recent videos. My taco video.
What you do? When you're pulling everything out?
Do you wanna fix a taco? It's easy as can be.
You sung that whole video.
Which one do I start with? The burnt one, please.
And the fact that you remembered it. What you were saying.
I found it hilarious. I said, "Girl, how did you come up with that?"
She been hanging around me. She did some bars.
Look, how did you come up with that? Because you know you ain't no type of rapper.
You was that day. You was the songstress.
What?
Oh, I know. What's going on with? We're gonna let y'all go. Krishan Rock and Tamar and James. Apparently, she punched a man, y'all.
True.
But what reason would she have to punch the man? Is what I wonder.
To be honest, I really don't know. I've read a few comments on the Shade Room, and he was like, "She always talking about somebody trying to be clout off her. They are.
Who? Alpha Krishan?
Whoever invites Krishan anywhere, if anybody invites her to a club, to their show, to wherever, because the only thing she's known for is being in a toxic relationship with Blueface.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, this young lady needs some help.
She do.
So if you're inviting this woman to do whatever it is that she do, because that's what she's known for, being toxic, being violent, being over the top, this is what she's known for. So if you invite her, this is what you're inviting to whatever environment you at. This is exactly what you should expect,
right?
And know is coming from Krishan Rock. You invited that trouble.
When people show you who they are,
believe them. She has shown you nothing else. Not saying she hasn't shown you anything else, because I really don't follow her.
She was trying. I thought when she had the baby, she was going to church and stuff. And
I mean, everybody
I don't really
try
follow her like that.
But until you become delivered,
Amen.
You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna keep doing the same stuff.
Exactly.
Well, best wishes to her. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I am covered in food, but it was delicious. Cheers to the chef. What they say? To the chef? Something to the chef. It was good. Thanks, chef.
What they say?
I don't know. Kudos to the chef. Something
like that.
Black Santa, Etna, and us, we out.